Hi everyone, so this video is just about how to debark branches and twigs. My dad trimmed this tree in front of you and it's a bit messy, but at least somebody's getting a bit of a haircut around here. So he dumped most of it in the bin and I picked out some better looking ones. And I decided to debark them and use them later, which I will show in another video, but for now this one is just about debarking. And as you can see over here, that's where all the bark is, from 3 of the branches here. So when I did this before, it was quite dry and it was a sunny day, and I found it harder to remove the bark. And I did this one just a moment ago because it's wet and it's been soaking up all the rainwater, and it only took 10 seconds. So I think it's probably best to wait until it rains. Another way of doing it is soaking them in the bathtub, which is what I did, but I think that's a bit of a waste of water. So if you leave it out in the rain, and Melbourne rains a lot, then it'll be nicely soaked and you'll be able to debark it quite easily. So I'm just going to rest the camera here and show you how I debark. So for this debarking, I just simply use one of these, and all you have to do is just scrape. And as you can see, it just comes off quite easily and doesn't take long. I'm not a very strong person at all, and it's quite effortless. And straight away it just comes off. And like I said, much easier when it's soaked in water than when it's dry. And then you get down to these little bits, and all you have to do is just pull it, and that will just come off. Even the little knobby bits, just scrape along that, it will come off quite easily. And you can also sand the edges to give it a neater look. Don't have sandpaper at the moment. I'll have to get from Bunnings eventually. Put a little scraper on it. Peel it. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. So yeah, I left some of it still with bark at the edge, and I like that look because it will be painted over and everything. However, if you don't want to have bark anywhere on your twig or branch, then you can use sandpaper to sand that off.